Hey roses, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Before you do anything, before we continue with the video, make sure that you subscribe. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I have something so exciting to share. Like, y'all, this is not clickbait, this is not trying to just be fake, whatever, y'all. This is the truth. Like, I'm telling you, like, recently I've been trying to really take better care of my hair, better care of my skin. As you guys know, my skincare journey, but I haven't really talked too much about my hair. I've always been frustrated with my hair. I always felt like my hair was thin. My sisters always had thicker hair and I've always felt like my hair was thin. So I'm always just like frustrated. I'm always cutting it, I'm always doing things. But recently I was like, you know what? I'm gonna like leave my hair alone and I'm going to let it grow and see how long my hair can be without, you know, me touching it and everything. So one of my favorite YouTubers here on YouTube, Sharice Christine, I'll like insert her YouTube name right here. She started using these oils called Ayurvedic oils. They're ancient Indian oils, used in like ancient India for like healing properties. These oils are used for like holistic living, and some people use it for like hair growth, some people use it for skincare, but I'm choosing to use it for hair growth because I got the idea from Sharice. And I mean, y'all, when I just tell you, go check out her channel and her hair growth journey, but her hair has grown like so much. Like, it has grown so much, and I was so inspired by it because I feel like we kind of have similar not texture of hair, but similar like density of hair. So I was just so incredibly proud of like how well her hair did and like how great her hair looked. So I decided to order them off Amazon myself. And y'all, when I tell you, I've been using these oils for about not quite a month, but not even just talking about the hair growth part, just talking about how well my hair felt. I used it on Melody's hair, how moist her hair felt. Y'all, the bottom line, when you're trying to promote hair growth and healthy hair, scalp health is everything. Your scalp is everything. So you have to keep your scalp moisturized. Your scalp has to constantly be hydrated in order for growth to happen. Also, incorporating scalp massages into your hair. So when I make the oil, I put it in this little thing, this little tube here, and I put an ounce of each oil. Then for the essential oils, I'll put 12 drops each of the peppermint and tea tree oil. And y'all, like, when I tell you, just looking at your scalp, you can just see how moist it is and how just shiny it is. And I can even just show you just how just my hair right now, I put the oils on a couple days ago, and you could just see right now I have on edge control, but if you could just see how like moist my scalp looks, like it doesn't look dry, it just keeps it moist. And y'all can just tell a difference in how my hair just feels just in these 3 weeks of using it. I can tell a difference in Melody's hair of just using it. I also put the Jamaican black castor oil in there, as well as a jojoba oil. Jamaican black castor oil, specifically Jamaican black castor oil, is perfect for hair growth. I naturally have thinner edges, same as Mel. I inherited that from my mom. So I like to put the black castor oil, and I just take it and I section each part of the hair and I massage the oil into it. So I just massage it all over my hair, and I sleep with it overnight. Then I take it, then I rinse it in the morning, and then I proceed with my shampoo, condition, and all that kind of stuff. I also like to put the oil on throughout the week too on my hair, probably like 2 to 3 times a week. I'll just go through and like oil my scalp. I'll massage my scalp. My husband also helps me with massaging my scalp. I'm telling y'all, that is the #1 key, keeping your scalp moisturized and getting your man to just massage your hair. If you don't have a man, just do it yourself. I do it myself. I'll just be at work, I'll just go and massage my hair. Just make sure you're not touching your face though, because your face can break out from the oils. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to share with you guys just how amazing these oils are. They don't smell the greatest, like the neem oil. It actually stings. My husband hates the way that these oils smell. I kind of like the way it smells, but it definitely is not like, definitely doesn't smell the greatest. Oh yeah, the neem, I feel like the neem is probably the most pungent, but it's not bad. It just smells natural. I love everything natural. I love holistic living. I love being as natural as possible with my skincare, being natural with my hair care, food, and cleaning items and things that I put on Melody, or around our home. My husband or Melody are sick. I like to nurse him back to health with aromatherapy and essential oils and things like that. So it just smells natural. I'll link where I got all of these also below in the description box from Amazon. They weren't that expensive. I just store them in my bathroom. Yeah, so this is just so good for your hair. Neem is just really good for like strengthening your hair follicles as well. And I got this Brangaji oil. But yeah, this oil is absolutely amazing. It is so good for hair loss. If you have alopecia, if you have psoriasis, it's also good not just for your hair. Like I said, you can use it for your skin, or if you have a cut or burn or scrape. I like to put it on my ears because my ears break out when I wear fake earrings. If you can see it, I'm currently dealing with a breakout right now. I'm allergic to nickel. So I like to wear my beauty supply earrings, y'all, and it broke me out. Anyway, so yeah, so I like to use this oil. This oil is amazing. It definitely doesn't, this one doesn't really have a smell to me. It kind of smells like olive oil. And then the Brahmi oil, I just love this the little bottle that the Brahmi oil comes in. All of these are about 4 ounces as well, and it's been lasting me a while. I just put it, like I said, I just put it in here, my little mixture, shake it up, just go through, and it has like the little applicator on it, so that's perfect, because then I can just stick it right on my scalp, and then I just go in, I just massage it, I just get all that good stuff. Just it is so amazing. So I'm telling y'all, make this oil. Let me know how it works out for you. Let me know how your hair feels. I love to hear some feedback from y'all. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. You know, really helps me when you guys comment, when you guys like my videos. I love to read your comments and interact with you guys. And yeah, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, thank you for joining the Rose family. If you have been here before, thank you for watching another video, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace out.